Shou tea is effective in bringing down fever and driving away the summer heat. It is good to drink in the summer, refreshing and pleasing. Also, the tea is rich in minerals and vitamins that human body needs, effective in producing saliva and slacking thirst, clearing liver, and improving vision and refreshing, a green healthy drink that is generally recognized as the safest and most nutritious nowadays. Let's learn how to make Shou Mei with 3 shreds buckle bowl in this lesson. Teaching goal: to master the processing and cooking technique of Shou Mei with 3 shreds buckle bowl. Difficulty points in teaching: the braising technique, the cutting skills for the fine finishing of ingredients, the proportion of tea and clear soup, the temperature and timing when extracting tea. Teaching content: fully demonstrate the teaching process of Shou Mei with the 3 shreds buckle bowl through the demonstration of ingredients, explaining the cooking process, a live demonstration, and the characteristics of the completed cuisine. For today's dish, the cooking method we are going to use is braise. Cooking method: braising refers to a processing technique that involves cooking food in a container, in the steamer, and inverting it into a plate. Ingredients: main ingredients: 250 grams of cooked chicken breast, 200 grams of asparagus, 100 grams of barbecued pork. Secondary ingredients: 10 grams of Shou Mei tea, 300 milliliters of clear soup, 50 grams of water-soaked shiitake mushrooms. Seasoning: 3 grams of salt, 3 grams of pepper. Process: fine finishing of ingredients, making tea, braising, steaming, dishing out. Step 1. Make tea with the boiling water. Filter the tea leaves and keep the tea. To mix with clear soup for the next step. Step 2. Finely shred some chicken breasts for the next step. Step 3. Blanched chicken breast, winter bamboo shoots, barbecued pork, shiitake mushrooms in boiling pan, and place them in separate bowls. Pour in the clear soup. Add salt. Seal the bowl with plastic wrap. Steam it for 20 minutes and rest. Step 4. Remove the stalks of mushrooms. Thinly slice the mushrooms. Separately slice chicken breast, winter bamboo shoots, and barbecued pork. Then cut them into shreds. Place sliced mushrooms at the bottom of a bowl. And place the sliced chicken breasts, winter bamboo shoots, and barbecued pork by color, with chicken shreds filling the gaps. Buckle the 3 shreds with an extra length. And pour in the pre-made clear tea soup. Steam it for 1 hour. Step 5. Take out the 3 shredded ingredients and invert them onto a small plate. Once again, pour in clear tea soup from the top of the bowl. Remove the small bowl to finish. The characteristics of the completed dish. The dish is traditional and simple. The ingredients have bright colors and are fine as hair, showing the aesthetics of cutting. The seasoning is light but not boring. It tastes soft and smooth, with light tea aroma embracing your senses. It is a handmade dish that is worth passing on. Through this lesson, we have learned the making of Shou Mei with 3 shreds buckle bowl. During the process, we must pay attention to the following steps. When braising, make sure the ingredients are piled up neatly. The filling shredded chicken must be compacted to prevent the dish from collapsing. The ingredients must be sliced evenly and thinly for making fine shreds. The tea leaves must not be soaked in water that is too hot. The proportion of clear soup and tea must be kept at 1:1 so that the soup won't become bitter. Before braising your 3 shredded ingredients, pour in tea soup so that it is easy to remove the small bowl while keeping the 3 shredded ingredients neat. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you.